Hello everyone. This chapter will share with you the second part of the Laser Sim Tracker. Laser Sim Tracker Calibration. Chapter 3. Lap Plate Preparation. We need to prepare a lap plate before calibration. As a datum. As shown on the screen, we need to prepare a slab about 5 毫米 thick. Draw a thin, long, prominent line on it as a benchmark reference for subsequent calibration work. The follow-up red laser line needs to be aligned with the reference line for calibration. Lay the boards on a flat surface when ready. Do not move freely during calibration. After the lap plates are prepared, then you can carry out the point calibration work. That's all for this section. Thank you all.